Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to a new video on Hellhole channel. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. It was a very heavy rainfall in the region, not only in the city, it was about all the state. It was raining in all the state. Mostly after the rain, this road still got cleared, but today this road is also drawn, and it's drawn the all catchment areas which are near to this point. The point where we are standing is the most low lying and depression area, so all the runoff of the rain is towards this point. So there is a huge accumulation of water, the rainy water and storm water, which drown all these routes and the roads. As far as you can see, the whole area is flooded with a huge accumulation of water. Rainy water has drawn all the streets and the main roads of this area. So today we are going to clear this rainy water and this road to remove the hurdles which has been created by the flood. Staff is moving towards the manholes and going to remove the lids of a manhole. He has found one manhole cover and you can see he's removing that, but the quantity of water is very huge, so it will take a time to remove this water. So after a few time, this road was shown in rainy water. I have shown earlier, but now this road is got cleared. All the rainy water has flowed towards some storm line. At this point, now the traffic is moving smoothly. Now we will see what is the condition of the main point, which is right in front of the hospital. As you can see, there is a still huge accumulation of water. Only about 100 feet road is got cleared, but the remaining portion is still drawn, and the path of the hospital still not got cleared. Here were some kids which are trying to cross the road, but they are afraid of huge water. They are thinking whether they cross it or not, but they have to. Now they start crossing the road by holding their shoes in their hands and with naked feet. Now the staff is removing the next manhole covers as the quantity of the water is decreasing. Now we are moving forward to the next manholes, so we can remove the lids of the manhole and the water can flow through that manholes. There are also some inlets at this point, but after the heavy rain, the points which has been made like inlets that are not enough, so we have to remove the covers of the manhole so that the this raining water can flow to in storm line easily and rapidly. As you can see, the ready water is now moving into the storm line. At this road we don't have any curb or roadside drain. There is only the storm line, so all the rainy water has to flow towards this storm line. The curb or roadside drain is missing at this road, and we are using only the storm line to remove this uh, rainy water or storm water.
ਉਰੇ ਆ ਪਹਿਲੇ
After removing the cover of that
ਆ
manhole,
ਟਹਿਣੀਆਂ ਇੱਧਰ ਵਾਲੀਆਂ
now
ਤੋੜ
he is finding the next
ਇੱਧਰ
manhole
ਵਾਲੀਆਂ
cover.
ਟਹਿਣੀਆਂ ਤੋੜ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਬਣਾ ਲੰਘਣ ਦੀ ਪਰੇ ਨੂੰ
Here are some branches of tree which was creating hurdles for the passengers, pedestrians who are traveling and passing by this footpath. So the staff is now cutting the that branches so that the people who are using this footpath can go easily.
ਚੱਲ
Don't have any tool to cut these
ਚੱਲ
branches,
ਠੀਕ ਆ
so it's trying to cut these branches with
ਕੁੰਡੀ ਦੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ
he
ਫਾਇਦੇ ਆ
have.
ਨਾ
The water is still at the footpath.
ਨਹੀਂ ਪਰ ਠੀਕ
You can see whenever traffic is moving and the water is moving on the footpath. It's finding the manhole so that the cover of manhole could be removed, and this rain water can also flow from this manhole into the storm line.
ਤੇਰੀ
I think he has found the manhole. He is now finding the place from where he can remove the cover. Now there is no more water at this manhole. At the top of that manhole, all the water has been flowed. Now only the next manhole is taking the rainy water, and it's now decreasing gradually. As you can see that firstly it was at the top of this footpath, but now it has been decreased, and as you can see a whirlpool has been created. That means it's taking the water with good speed, and storm line is flowing properly. Now the staff removing a suction pipe of
ਉਹ ਨਹੀਂ
the
ਉਹ ਬਥੇਰੀ
watering
ਜਗ੍ਹਾ
set
ਹੈਗੀ ਚੱਕਣ ਨੂੰ
which has been installed to remove that rainwater which is extracted, which is used to remove that rainwater. Huge rubbish and floating materials has been stuck with the suction pipe, and it almost blocked the inlets which are taking the water and removing it from the road. Now staff is removing that materials, rubbish and floating materials which has been stuck in suction pipe, so that the discharge of this dewatering set could be increased. We are still removing the floating materials, rubbish. It's badly stuck into the suction pipe. Huge rubbish has been removed from this pipe. It was huge, which was blocking the way of rainy water. Again, it is a plastic which is creating hurdles for the removal of water. After removing that rubbish from the suction pipe, the dewatering set now again working, and you can see there is a significant difference between the speed of water, and whirlpool has been increased, and the speed of water has also been increased. Now the manhole and the storm line is taking the water with a significant speed. Now it will take less time to clear the road, as rainy water flowed from all the side at this road. It keep the floating materials from all the sides, and it's accumulated floating materials at this road. So that is why there was a huge rubbish which was stuck. Now staff is clearing the way of water, so there would be no more hurdles for the rainy water. Now it will be cleared within no time, as the speed of rainy water flowing has been increased. Here we go. All the road has been got cleared after a huge rain and flood. The road got cleared, and there is a smooth flow of traffic. Thank you.